Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. For this one, we can use about polar coordinates. So I will put x equals to r cosine theta and y equals to r sine theta. So if we put inside this one, we can see that I will put this one go in here and this one go in here. And we can see that this one and this one we can do about factorization. And this one equals to number 1. So we simplify that is about r squared. And ds dy, we need to change r d theta. And now we need to consider the bounds. So this one, that is for ds. Now we need to consider this one first. We put the power number 2 for the both sides. And we have s squared equals to number 1 minus y squared. So I will put this one go to the left. And we know that this one, that is about the circle. So we don't have A and B. That means the center, that is about number 0, 0, or that is about number 1. So we need to graph about the circle in here. So we can see that we have number 1 in here, number 1 in here, negative number 1 go in here, and negative number 1 go in here. So we can see that s is smaller than or equal to this one. So that is about this one in here. And the negative, that is about this one in here. About y, that is about the y between form number 1 and negative number 1. Here is for the value of y. So that means they cover all the circle in here. And now we need to change the new one in here. So in this one, this one we transform into r squared. The x dy we transform into r dr d theta. About dr, we have the radius of the circle, that is about number 1. So we start from 0 to number 1. D theta, we go in the one circle in here because we cover all the circle. That should be from 0 to 2b in here. And now we need to calculate this one first. So I will put outside this one. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So we can put about u equals to r squared plus 1. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2r. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Later that, we divide both sides by number 2. Now, we need to change the powers. So, in this one, we can see that we have number 0 in here. So we put number 0 go in here to find the value of u. So 0 squared plus 1. So u equals to number 1. When r equals to number 1, we put number 1 go in here. So u equals to number 2. And now we have the new integral in here. So in this one we change for u. R dr we transform into this one 1 over 2 du. Later that we can use about integration by parts. So in this one I will put about u t equals to ln u. The derivative for the both sides, that is about du over u. dv, that is about 1 over 2 du. The integration of this one, we have u over number 2. So we have t multiplied by v. And we put the power from number 1 to number 2 minus the integral from number 1. So u divided by u, we have number 1. So we have only 1 over 2 in here. So we put number 2 and number 1 go in here. This one we have u over number 2. Number 2 divided by number 2, we have number 1. F and number 1, we have number 0 in here. One minus 1 over 2, we have positive 1 over 2, but we have the negative side, so we have like this. So after we have this one, the value in here, that is about this one in here. So we have only this one. The interpretation of this one we have theta. So now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.